Today, I will show you the best alternative to a single story here in TTDI. Let's check it out, a ground floor unit at Kiara Park. This ground floor unit features a build-up of 1,380 square feet, 3 rooms and 2 baths. Renovations including piping and wiring were done 15 years ago. The flat-lying layout is a big plus. The kitchen is fully fitted from top to bottom, while the unit overlooks the beautiful garden.
Hey Kenneth, single story house got garden. Where's the garden?
I also got. No need to maintain some more. All 30-year-old mature trees also I got. The time you will spend to maintain your house could be better spent swimming in the pool. And having a nice cup of coffee at Kiara Park's very own cafe, Niffler Cafe. Invite your friends over for a game of badminton. Come go and feed the fishes. Now, if you're looking for a very free home where you can just lock up and go for your travels all within a safe and secure environment, give us a call and we'll happily show you around. Remember to check out our latest listings at our website, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!